over.
Now watch me, Nikki and Kai climb up on Anancy web. Now people, Anancy web, you know, and it's something where you just go up there like say you're good for go, you know, you have to fit and trim. So watch me now, say me I go up on Anancy web, no know say something else I go hold me. Me say people me up on Anancy web and me hand start hurt me and can't manage the body weight. Girl, I have to turn back. Me couldn't do the activity like them, my love. From me climb up and me realize there's something wrong, me I got turn back. Me say people, Nikki and Kai, you know, then gonna lead left me. Watch me behind. Kai and Nikki gone about them business. No sir. Lisa, hurry up and catch them up, no little girl. You're gonna make them pass you. But watch Kai gone, you know. Nikki behind him. The little boy brave. The little boy braver than me. All me know if you do, I give be a trouble. Watch me, I go take me time. Me now go panic now, you know. Me I wait till they reach over. But one little boy, me and Devante, come behind me. Start while I'm on the rope start shake and the nervousness come on me. People me not stop shake on the thing. Me say me no know where this little boy named Devante come from, you know. But the little boy come behind me, people now go see. The boy come and start cross over the border with me. Me have to tell him for hold on there, cause Devante a touch the rope. Watch me bow me, I put my foot on this and me I go try. Come back, Lisa. Retrieve.
Oh my God.
Hello. Go up on your tire.
Mommy.
We'll go choose it. Lisa, what? Come.
Hello. That day say, I come back in dangerous.
Me nah go pan no activity where me can manage. Me I take the simple route. So I just walk through that rope here and then go over there. So when me reach over there, so people me not see like no barrier for wall and pan. Then me realize that Jesus Christ, so when me come over here so far. Why me come over here? Cause now me have to go walk across here, so and me not have nothing for wall and pan except the little rope we attached to me.
Lisa, you go upstairs up the center. Up higher.
Then Sister Boo, you really ask me if me I go up high top? No, sir. You must be crazy. One thing me know, you know, Nikki brave. Nikki gone on the next level. Nikki gone way up at the top on the next level. Make me just stay your song go on with me antics, because I'm not going no further. Simple things me I do. And then me just go back down.
You're not there. Never find the web and then done.
Watch Nikki up at the top. Me know say me nah go up there so. Me, after me finish cross over here so and get figure up on the stairs, me gone back down.
Come on. Why you look so pretty?
Awene.
Go over there, so I got up with herself.
Oh yeah, right in front of you. You know Anancy web. Can you do it?
People, right now I study, you know. Which route me I go take? Should I go where Kai is? Or should I go where Nikki is? But me can't follow Nikki, see Nikki behind me. She a going like she's one spider woman. Girl fit you see? Yeah, so me say me I go up on the tire. Put my foot the saw and then me turn my foot again. Pad up, watch ya know. Foot apart. Me I go twist up in ya so. Me no know where me I go do ya know. Nervousness a kill me cause I want turn back. See the wrong move here. Girl twist up now. The rest is history.
Go back over.
So me untangle myself. Now it's a zip line tour. So guys, I'm here. We're gonna get ourselves ready to go on the zip lining. I'm gonna put that in part 3. These set of people are going first and then we're the last batch to go. So we're just gonna set ourselves up and get ready. Yes, my love. Stay tuned for part 3. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Bye.
Yes, sir. So she first I go.